Hey friends, if you encounter the error 0x800f0950 Framework 3.5 installation error in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So I actually found it on the Microsoft Answer forum, and more than 100 people have said that it works. So it is basically a DISM command, but a different kind of a DISM command that helped. All we need to do is copy it, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar, click on run as administrator in the right pane, paste it here, hit enter. Now I'll share this in the description section of the video. All you need to do is copy paste it. And as for this D drive here, change it to the drive letter on which the installation media is on. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.